Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm here with a project share. I am making lots of love and Valentine's Day cards for the month of January, part of February. So I know I shared in one of my videos, but I'll share it here. If you'd like to get on my mailing list where I will occasionally, randomly send cards out, whether it is love cards or spring cards or summer cards, I part of my goals that I did not have on my goals list is to send out more cards, to send cards out to people and not just make them and hoard them. So, because I sent like 3 boxes of cards to scrapbook.com for their card drive, and that's a lot of cards. I make a lot of cards, but I should be sending them, you know? So that's what I'm going to do. So you can email me at scoop71yahoo.com. At some point when I have some time, I'm going to make a little directory of all of those names and addresses, and that way when I feel like buying a book of stamps, I'll just send out a bunch of cards. So I am using, and part of my goal also is to continue to use cards, stamp sets that I have not used before. And so I will be using stamp sets I have used. But in this case, this very big heart from Heavy Doodle I've never used. It's a pretty dedicated Valentine's Day stamp set, and I have the dies, and it's pretty adorable, actually. I like the sentiments. I'm using this, I think I need to put in a smaller thing. It's a big thing. Ink Blot Shop. This one is called Get Grounded, and there are these different stamp sets that you can use to ground your character or your stamp, whatever you're using, so it's not just like floating out in space. I love it. I think I need to play with it some more because I think it's pretty fabulous. So I used it on this card right here, which is a really simple card. I just did a white mat. I stamped the hearts randomly, like the little one and the big heart randomly, the umbrella and the bear, and then, colored them all in Copics. And then for the umbrella and all the hearts, I used glossy accents and all of that. So it's all really kind of shiny. Looks like, it's raining hearts, I guess. And so I use that Get Grounded stamp set. So you can use it either way. So this one, I did it this way, so it looked sort of like a puddle almost. But I didn't color it in. I just did it in a light gray. Just grounded the stamp, but didn't take away from the color scheme I wanted. I wanted to be very lovey. So hugs and kisses. I think in sort of my first sort of Valentine's Day video of the year, I talked about the sentiment strips and all the different ones I have. I have so far, I just got the new Mama Elephant one. Those are fabulous. And so I just keep them in a little bag. Any ones that I'm not using when I need a sentiment and go digging through that for sentiments. And so when I get to making birthday cards, I have a birthday sentiment strip. I'll cut all the sentiment strips out, and whatever I don't use, I'll put in that bag. And then I constantly have sentiments. When I need a quick sentiment to put on a card, I've got them ready. And so they're nice and skinny. So this is one of those. I think this is not Tailored Expressions, though. I think this might be LDRS. I have an LDRS, Tailored Expressions, does the sentiment strips. I know Valentine does, but I don't have those. And Mama Elephant just got some. I just ordered those because those look fun. So there's that card. And then this one I also used, had this forever. Got this obviously from Tuesday morning. I was actually looking for a different heart die set that I have. I have a Stampin' Up one, which is like regular hearts, and then it has a scalloped one. Don't know where it is. I have it somewhere. I would never get rid of that one because I love that one. It's great. So I don't know where it is. But I found that I had this one, and I made this one work for me because I only really decided that I was going to go with one heart. So it was fine. So I use this, and it's Tuesday morning fine, so that felt good. And another thing was I wanted to emboss it. I have the Swiss dots, but they're like hearts. And I couldn't find it. And then, of course, after I embossed it with the swirlies, I found it. So I'm going to use it on another card. But before you emboss it, if you're going to stamp something on it, you got to stamp it before you emboss it. Otherwise, it's impossible. So it says, be happy. And then I embossed this red panel. It's colored in with my Copics. And then I used that XOXO paper, which I think I ended up using all of it. The XOXO paper cut with that spell binders, and then I just put that sweet little bear there holding the bee, and super simple and easy and fun. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.